sorry guys, sorry about that. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy the rain sounds that are, we are using at Redwood. Oh my god, Claire, stop it! My thing is glitching so bad. Why? Okay, so Claire decided to choose, like, the freaking hardest race in Redwood. So, shut up. Claire. She's so mean to me all the time. She's such a bully. Anyway, so, I am sorry if this is really, really laggy and glitchy, you guys. Like I said, I will try to work on this in the future, but I honestly can't actually do anything at the moment. If I could, I really would. Now Claire's bullying me again. Thanks, Claire. So we obviously know who's gonna win this race. Oh my god, it's Token. I need to get Token. I just realized. No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice because, if you're wondering, and if you wanted to, I just won. Nice. Okay, hi guys, so I actually, I won the race, as you guys could see, and I literally have not a single clue where Claire is, because she sort of just disappeared out of the blue, that's what best friends do, so, oh my god, Claire, if your friends see, if Madden sees this, she's gonna be so pissed. Nothing. Okay, so guys, what do you think I should do for my next video? Because I might just do another ASMR video, or I will do a training time, or just anything of the sort. So, Claire, what would you like to do? Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, so guys, what she just said, I promise I'm not lying. She actually just said this. She said that she wants me to tell you guys that my YouTube channel is the bomb, and that she thinks you should all subscribe and like the video, and that, Oh, I found Token. Oh my god, yay. Yes. During the race, hi Token, come on Token. So during the race, I saw Token somewhere. Oh my god. Oh, it's not Token, it's this one little dude. Yeah, Prissy. Thank you. So, guys, I'm going to end the video in a little bit, but not just yet. So, thank you. Okay, so my friend just said that she loves you all and she wants you all to subscribe. So anyway, if you were wondering, my name is Nala, but my actual Star Stable name is Carla. I'm not gonna say the last name yet, until I record on that account. But if you guys shush, she's so mean to me. Oh my god, but okay, so if you guys want to mail me on Star Stable, or if you want to friend me or meet me or Claire Freedom Falls, and my Star Stable name is Carla Wagon Wild, and my friend's is Claire Crazy Hawk. So if you want to go friend us, then please go do so, because that would mean a lot to us to have all of you guys here supporting us, you know. Oh, Claire, oh my god, this is actually cool, but I have to go. Oh my god, wait, what just happened? Oh god, I don't know. Okay, hey guys, sorry, I had to call for a pickup, and, you know, do that. So Claire, follow me. Oh my god, Claire, follow me. She's not following me. Okay, so I am going to show her the secret spot that I was in before I had to go for pickup. So, if you guys don't know the spot, you can go there, but it does involve for you to go for pickup when you're done, because you can't actually, like, get out of that. Sorry guys, what I was saying, you can't actually get out of it. You're kind of just like stuck there unless you go for a pickup. So, you do that, so you go to the race, and then you run across, and then you see this thing right here, like this, where the new area is going to be built. It is close to there, but not there, so you go off of that, and you just, oh no, it's glitching, so you just, oh my god, what just happened? Okay, hi guys, sorry about that again. You know, so you go there, I don't know what happened, so you go there, and then you keep running along here, and then you'll see this really big, kind of like next to that thing where you can get on that, oopsies. Oh. Okay, sorry guys, so you run up this really big, like, hill. Oh no, I'm lost. Oopsies. Okay, so you run up this really big hill, and then, you'll go here, and then you can gallop if you want. And then, so I totally went at that the wrong way. I am literally the dumbest person you'll ever meet. Anyway, so you'll run like to that, and then this little cliff, and then you jump. But if you get it at the right time, you will officially be there. Okay, so let me get there, and then I will. Okay, hey guys, so I finally made it. So the trick is, I found a really good trick. So you're right there, that's where you jump off. You go off that right there, and you kind of just like gallop off into that ledge, and then you gallop from there to your, I'll try to show you guys where it is. Oopsies, I'm smart. Okay, so what it does is, so you land here after you jump there, and then you will gallop, and as soon as you hit the ledge, you jump, and then you are here. So this is a place I've been wanting to show you guys, and a friend of mine actually is able to like literally get in this rock, but I have never actually been able to, so I really don't know. So I'm gonna get off my horse and then see if I can, like, sort of run over there. Oh, no, it's too deep. Oh, wait, I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna kill myself. Ready? Bam! Oh no, it's not too. Okay, wait, ready? Ready? Oh, yeah? Okay, so she's betting that I'm never going to find her. But you know what? I already know where she is because someone's already done this. Hi, Claire. Okay, Claire will be right back because she is going to do something and I am not sure what. Uh-oh. Alright, be right back, guys. Okay, hello everyone. I am back, and Claire actually has to go eat dinner, and it is getting late anyway because my dumb self decided to film this at, what time is it? At 9 p.m. So I'm not gonna go to bed until like 12 probably, but it's fine. So we are going to end the video here because, you know, and I hope you all have a good night, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day or night.